Lead 6 as they work off past the mile. Then came Celtic Prince, followed there by Made in Dubai. Military Law third to last. Atletico Alcalono and Amifast.